Welcome back, YouTube modelers. Um, so I hope I didn't miss the deadline for announcing which kit I'll be using, but Kim's Custom Garage from over in Denmark, he's having the 32 Ford appreciation bill, so I'd like to jump in on that. I actually just got this open box model like a day or two ago, and then when I went back to watch his video just to confirm the rules, I just realized I got the same kit as he did. So it wasn't intentional, but it turns out I'm building the same kit as Kim. So hopefully it'll be okay. So you can build one of three versions, either stock with the spoke wheels, the custom, or this drag version. So I don't like the drag version, so it will either be 60%. I'm leaning more toward this one, 60%, and maybe 40% stock. Cause I do like those stock wheels, the wire wheels, but I do like these thick, beefy tires that I see here on this on the box art, the photo of a completed model. So let's take a look at it. I think Kim's is in better condition because I bought this open box. So it looks like whoever had it before, most of it is in there. But he already hole punched it. Probably he wanted to put it into a binder, or I don't know, someone had it before me. But it's basically the same thing as Kim's. The clear lens is wrapped in napkin, and the tires. This is unusual because I have 6 original tires. So does that mean there's 2 spares? I don't know. Here are those big beefy tires. I think I'll probably end up using these. I do like that beefy tire look. So as far as color goes, I might very well build it closely to the box, meaning like a red color, because I've noticed that a lot of rat rods, even when they're painted black, they always have red rims. So I think I'm going to go for the red rims. The body may be in red, or maybe I'll spray paint both orange. I don't know, but I'm leaning toward orange or red. The rims I would like to paint red, and then I haven't decided whether the fenders I want it to be same color or black like this. I'll see how the color breaks up the lines when I make the final decision. But I just took inventory last night, and it seems like all the parts are there. So it's out of the factory plastic bags, but everything's there. Most importantly, the 2 metal axles. That's very important. Similar to Kim, body fits, but not like a glove. I have the broken piece because if you notice, while in storage, one of these hooks for the bumper cracked off, so I have it in here. I just have to glue it back. This doesn't quite fit exactly, but it'll fit when I'm done. Chrome pieces and the decal. So whoever had it before, even though it's out of the factory plastic, at least they bagged everything. So the tires are bagged separately, so when the tires disintegrate, they won't melt onto the plastic, and of course the clear lenses won't get scratched, but it's probably scratched already. So that's my entry for the 32 Ford. So did I bite off more than I can chew? Probably, because I have to, if I'm done with my taxes by April 15th, this kit is due by June 15th. Pearl Harbor build is like June 4th. So slight priority for this one, but I find that working on 2 kits at once is probably the most efficient for me. Many people can work on more than 2. I think for me, 3 or more is a little out of control. I think I've only done that once. 1 kit I can concentrate on, but I think 2 is the most efficient, because while you're building one and waiting for the paint or the putty to dry, you can actually move and work on the second one. So I think 2 is the optimal for me, but for other people it may be more or less. But for me, I think 2 kits will be the best. So taxes and then these 2 kits. Okay, so that's it. So hopefully this kit will be okay with you, Kim. You and I are building the same kit. I'm leaning toward this custom. Probably use the same tires. Color scheme, haven't decided or not finalized, but I'll know when I get there. So, that's it.